Hey there, Fan Bam. It's Irene with Boop and Budgets. I appreciate you stopping by and gifting me with some of your beautiful, precious time. Welcome if you're new. Welcome back if you've been here before. Welcome to Saving Cereal Saturday. We have a display of cereal here. This is something that I used to eat when I was younger. Not all the time, but we had it on Saturdays for the most part. We didn't always have it on Saturdays, but we would look forward to it when we did have it. This challenge is from Lisa at Budgets and Cents 1, and this saves a total of 75 here, 150 here, 225 here, and then 300 here. So this is going to be a long-term savings challenge for me. I put a little white paper in there so it could look like there's milk. Does it look like there's milk in there? It's pretty cute, huh? Anyway, so then so I just have this here as a display, and then we're gonna play with the money. We'll count it up right now, and then let me just tell you, I only have 4 challenges today because we're gonna have these probably for a little bit because a couple of them are large denominations. All right, so let me go ahead and start with this beautiful, cute Captain Crunch cereal one. This is from Budgeting with Lisandra. And this came with about 10 other cereal challenges. She has it in her coffee shop, so go grab yourself one. I love it. And then she has like all the different type of cereals. This one is from Cajun Girl Creates. This is made in the 80s. I'm an 80s girl. I grew up in the 80s. So this is from her. I'm trying not to get the glare on it. But yeah, it has strawberry shortcake and the Smurfs and Rainbow Bright and the Muppets and the Care Bears. And then this is, I think, My Little Pony. So she has all these little cute little characters that were real popular in the 80s when we were kids. Those were really popular. And then of course Bugs Bunny. He was so funny. The Looney Tunes gang. Bugs Bunny he just cracks me up. And this is from Boss Babe Budgets. And this says coffee because anger management is too expensive. Ain't that the truth? So this one here is from Boss Babe Budgets, and then this one here is from King Budgeter. And who can forget the Pink Panther? He looks really cool in his sunglasses, huh? Drinking some bubble tea. All right, so those are the 4 challenges I'm going to play with today. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to use my cards. I have ace through 4. I've got a joker in there, and then if I pull the joker, that's going to be dealer's choice, but I have ace through 4. So whatever one I choose, that's the one that I'm going to go ahead and put 2 bills in. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. The ace is going to represent 1. All right, so let me go ahead and count the money to see how much we're working with, and then we can go ahead and get started. So all right, we have $80 to work with today. Let's see how far we can get. I'm gonna throw this 20 in the mix, and then we have mostly 2, so I'm not gonna really mix up too much. I'll throw a few 2s in between these ones. How's everyone doing? Hope you're doing well. Let me know how the weather has been where you're at. It's been really hot here in Southern California. But I mean, what can I say? It is Southern California, so we got the nice weather sometimes. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold on to the money, and then I'll just flip a card over, and then we'll go from there. First one is number 2. So this one is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if I told you that already. So it's number 2. So this is gonna get 2 bills. So that's 1 and 2. This is number 3. So we get 1 and 2. This is number 4. So we got 1 and 2. This is number 3. So 1 and 2. All right. This is number 2. So we got 1 and 2. We need an ace. 2 again. And I did mix them up before, so 3. We need an ace or a joker. Ace or a joker. Good, ace. Cool. We need another one. Got to catch up. Joker. I'm going to put this on number 1. All right, number 1 is starting to catch up for sure. And if we run out, this is 4. If we run out, then we'll start over, but I don't know if we will. We might have enough to go around once. All right, 2. So 1 and 2. And this is 3, 1 and 2. This is a joker. I will put this in, I'll put it here, number 4. And the last one is an ace, 1 and 2. And then the last 2 I'll put here. All right, so that is that. Let me go ahead and put those there. All right, so let's go ahead and get these together. And we will go ahead and count them up. See how much we saved with each one. So tell me, what era did you guys grow up in? 80s, 60s, 70s, 90s, 2000s, 2010s? What era did you grow up? What was popular when you grew up? What did you do? What was the thing in, you know? I know that video games have always been pretty popular. So what video game was popular when you were growing up? Or what gaming system was popular when you were growing up? For me, it was was it PlayStation? I think it was PlayStation. First it was Atari. That's how old I am. First it was Atari. Actually, it was the one ping pong game that you connected to your TV. And then it was Atari. And then we got like into it wasn't a PlayStation. It was Nintendo and PlayStation and all that good stuff. So and Xbox and blah blah blah. But yeah. So anyway, okay, so this is going to be, I'm going to allocate $5 for each barrel. This is the Captain Crunch guy cereal. So I like this one with the little I don't know, with the little crunch berries. So let's see how much we saved with this one. All right, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So $14. So oops, sorry about that, I shook the camera. Okay, so 14, so that's 5, 10, and then I'm not going to be able to do anymore. So that's 10. Okay, so we'll put that to the side, and then we will grab this one. This one is again from Cajun Girl Creates, and let's count to see how much we saved with this one. And this one's gonna save me a total of $100. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, and 18. $18. Okay, so let's look for $18. I'm gonna knock out the big numbers first. So let's do this $10 right here. And then we can do, let's see, is there a 2 on here? No, I don't see a 2. So we'll just do this 8 right here. Rainbow Bright. All right, so there we go, $18 for that one. All right, and then this one is Pink Panther. So we are gonna save a total of 22 with this one. So let's see, oh, looks like we got it. So let's see how much we saved in total. This one got a lot of money. Okay, Pink Panther got 22, 4, 6, 8, 32, 33, $33. So we only need 22. So we'll set that aside. This is extra. So we can cross all of these off and call this complete. So that's 22. Perfect. So we can take this one out and call it done. And then we'll take this one and see how much we got with this one. So this is Bugs Bunny. This is Boss Babe Budgets. Deborah there. Lots of cute stuff in her shop too. All right, so this one's gonna save me a total of $50. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. So 15 bucks. So let's do the big numbers first. So we got 7 and 3, that's 10. Shoot, I already forgot. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15. Okay, that's 10, and then we'll do this 4 and we'll do this 1. Okay, so that is going to be that one. Let's see, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have $11. Let's see, $11. Okay, so this, let me do this real quick. So this one has 14, right? So I'm gonna add another $1 to make it 15, so we can cross another little barrel off. Okay, and then actually, no, I'm not gonna do that. I was gonna say I'll add all this in here, but then I'll have one left. But no, it's okay. I'll just keep it like that. And then let's see. Let me see how much I can put in this one. So I have 10 left. So I can put I could do 5 and 5. So here's 5, and then here's 5. All right, perfect. Oh no, wait. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Let me see. Hold on a second, guys. Let me see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. That's 20 there. And then this one goes here. So now this one should have 23. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Okay. Of course, I didn't bring any paper clips. So we are still going to work on these. We will bring these in next time. And we will bring in a new challenge to replace this one here. But thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. And if you made it to the end, please leave a strawberry. Thanks for watching. Bye.